If you love pasta, cooking and trying out new recipes, then this video is definitely for you. Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lamaziya, known as Lamaziya. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be making pasta with you guys. I hope you're going to love and enjoy this video. And I'm also heading out. That is why I am all glammed up. I'm actually going to a friend of mine, and I actually want to pass by Zara as well to make an exchange for some item that I got. So yeah, I hope you're gonna like this video, and if you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see like a recreation of this makeup look, please do let me know so I can make a video on that as well. So yeah, come on, let's cook together. So I actually made things easy for myself, and I chopped my veggies. As you guys can see, everything is already chopped and ready. Here I have my mixed peppers, red, yellow and green, red onions and garlic. This was supposed to be bacon, but because we don't have bacon around here, I am using turkey strips. And here I have my grated cheddar cheese, my tomatoes and my mushrooms. And here I have some shrimps which I've cut into smaller pieces and some chicken breast. I decided to mix this, guys, so that we actually have more meat in the pasta. So guys, the first thing that I'm going to do, I am going to fry my chicken and my shrimps. So now I'm going to add in my shrimps. Now I'm going to add in my mushrooms. Guys, it already smells amazing in here. And then now I am going to add in my turkey strips. Now I am going to put in my chicken and my shrimps. I'm going to put in my paprika. My fish spice, because I have some shrimps in there. My coriander, my curry powder, add in my Aromat because we are Aromat lovers in this house. Rosemary, and some mixed herbs. Oh my gosh guys, it smells so good. I'm going to cover this a little bit. Now I'm gonna add my tomatoes. And then I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm also going to add in my cream now. I love cooking with cream so much. That should be enough. I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes, so I'm going to cover it up. Guys, now I'm going to add in my pasta, but I'm not too sure if everything is going to be enough because my pasta is a lot, so I might just have to transfer into another pot. And now I'm also be adding my cheese. And just like that guys, my pasta is ready and I am ready to dish.